All right, so I subscribed to Ipsy like a few years ago. I had it for a while. I canceled it because I just wasn't into what I was getting. But they just came out with the new Glam Bag Plus or whatever, which is kind of like BoxyCharm. Well, I want that, but you can't get it unless you are signed up for the regular bag because you have to upgrade. So here I am again, signed up for the bag. So we're gonna do an unbagging. All the info for this bag will be listed in the box below. All right, so the bag is cute. Feels nice quality. It's got kind of a masquerade mask on the front. Cool. All right, the first thing I see in here is, oh, by Botanic Beauty, and it's the blush serum. I'm trying to get into like cream products now, so I'll give this a go. Sealed, that's always nice. Ooh, that's a nice kind of pink. Oh, fuck me. I spilled. All right, so I'm gonna take my beauty blender and we're gonna blend it out a little bit. Seems to blend out easy. It's just kind of a flush of pink on your cheek. It's pretty. It's not like overly scary or anything like that. I will give it a go. All right, the next thing in here is from Sugar, and it's called It's About Time Vivid Mini Lipstick. And it's called Better Call Salmon. I don't know how I feel about that name. I hate mini lipsticks. I will not use this or swatch it. Oh, you know what? This is actually a total dupe for Lolita from Kat Von D. So if you have Lolita, you already have this. This is very pretty, but I'm gonna pass it on because these break so easily when you try to put them on. It's just not even worth it to me. So I'm gonna pass this on or throw it in as an add-on for a giveaway, who knows. All right, the next thing we have here, I think this is a highlighter. And if it is, it's blue. It's from City Colors, or City Color. It's the Glow Pro Stellar Iridescent Highlight. And I'm pretty sure this has like a blue shift. Oh dear God. Oh yeah, that's total. Oh fuck. Yeah, no. I will not be using this. I'll be passing this on. Oh, you know what? No, I will save this as an eyeshadow because this is actually very pretty. It would be very pretty on top of something, not for anything other than that. All right, and we have 3 more things. We have, oh, Donkey Milk. Actually love this and this brand. This is the Donkey Milk Sleeping Mask, nourishing and moisturizing. Restores skin while sleeping. And I like that they're not sheet masks. I will totally use these, that's awesome. And the last thing in here is by Makeup Forever, and this is their Ultra HD Foundation. I've never tried this. What color? It's in Y225. I've never tried it. It looks kind of close to my skin color, so I'm pretty excited, so I will definitely give this a try. All right, so for 10 bucks, that wasn't bad. I mean, I'll try to use most of these. Like I said, I'm gonna give this away. But that wasn't a bad bag, so stay tuned because when they have the Glam Bag Plus available, I'm going to get it and pit it against my BoxyCharm to see which one is better. Any information that you need to know will be listed in the box below, including what I'm wearing on my face today. If I look crazy, it's because I just did my makeup from another video. So until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.